If you've ever been cooking and thought, I wish there was something to help me with this, well, the good news is that it probably already exists. Thanks to the internet, it's easier than ever to find useful kitchen gadgets you never knew were even a thing. The hard part is searching for the best choices out there. But not to worry, because we're here to help. In this video, we'll tell you about 10 amazing kitchen gadgets you need to buy now. Number 10. Kitchen Gizmo Snap in Strain Strainer. Straining pasta, vegetables, and other dinner fare from boiling water remains one of the most unpleasant tasks in the kitchen. Make life easier with the Snap and Strain, a silicone strainer that works on any pot or bowl and allows you to drain liquid with one hand. You can attach it to a pot or a pan. Pour out water from pasta or grease from ground beef during Taco Tuesday. This clip-on food strainer is a game changer. Strain your pasta with ease using this gadget that clips on the side of your pot, eliminating the need for those bulky bowl strainers that never fit into the sink or your cabinet properly. Number 9. Chef and Veggie Chop hand-powered food chopper. Speed up prep time with this genius tool. All you have to do is place ingredients in the container, twist and lock the lid, and pull the cord to spin the chopping blades. Hello, instant guacamole or fruit salad. All it takes is one swift motion to chop your vegetables up into little pieces, and when it comes to onions, you can achieve this tear-free too. Number 8. Slow Cooker. My next must-have kitchen gadget is a slow cooker, also known as a crock pot. Aside from the energy savings from using a slow cooker versus the oven to cook a roast, this handy beauty is a great way to use up leftover meats and vegetables. Just toss them in with some broth, let it cook all day, and voila, you've got soup for you! It's also the easiest way to cook a chicken for those casseroles or pot pies that call for cooked chicken. And make your own chicken broth at the same time. Just season the chicken, pop a peeled onion in the cavity, and 2 to 4 cups of water, and cook it on low for 8 to 10 hours. Place a colander in the bowl, which has enough volume to hold the amount of liquid in the crock pot, and slowly pour the contents from the crock pot into the colander. Carefully lift the colander and let it drain. Then place it in a large, empty bowl or some paper towels, as a little more liquid will continue to drain off. To let your chicken cool until you can easily handle it. Another great thing about crock pot cooking is it can easily fit into a busy family schedule where different family members sometimes need to eat at different times. Using this simple cooking method, you can each eat a hot meal without requiring you to put in the effort of cooking multiple times. Number 7. Magic Bullet Blender. Chop, mix, whip, and grind to your heart's content with this 200-watt motor blender that can make everything from smoothies to hummus. The Magic Bullet does its best work with smoothies, protein powders, and other non-frozen ingredients. It offers enough power to quickly blend most soft fruits like bananas and berries, and does a decent job blending leafy greens like spinach. The Magic Bullet Mini is a better personal blender than the Hamilton Beach single-serve blender. The Magic Bullet is better built, and it comes with an additional jar. Unlike the Hamilton Beach, it can make almond butter, though it isn't very good. The Magic Bullet also makes a better smoothie. Number 6. Mini Waffle Maker. This silly little thing is perfect, wrote one verified purchase reviewer on Amazon. It is so simple that it works almost solely because of that. The non-stick surface really is non-stick. Kind of critical with a waffle maker, so the waffles come off clean without scraping and scuffing. Definitely, depending on the batter, as good or better than any at a pancake shop. You plug it in, it warms up, and the light goes off. You open it, spoon in about 2 tablespoons of batter, and close it. The light comes on, and when it goes off, The waffle that comes out is wonderful. Still, it's easy to use, it's easy to clean, and it cooks waffles evenly. Best of all, those small-shaped waffles are the perfect size for things like desserts and breakfast sandwiches, which makes the Dash an especially good pick for creative home cooks. Number 5. Electric Wine Opener. Now it won't matter that you don't know how to use a butterfly corkscrew. This electric wine opener is rechargeable and can open up to 30 bottles with a single charge, making it the perfect gadget for parties. If you're still using a manual crank-style can opener, it's definitely time to upgrade with a much cooler kitchen appliance. This best-selling electric can opener from Kitchen Mama is portable, battery-operated, and comes in a range. Number 4. Automatic Soap Dispenser. Regularly washing your hands with soap and water is the best way to avoid illness. This automatic dispenser helps you do that without touching anything on the soap end of your journey, keeping both your dispenser and your hands clean. Shared surfaces are hot zones for potential germ passing. Handles, doorknobs, remotes, and banisters can all host unwanted bacteria and viruses and transfer them to unsuspecting users. That's why good hand hygiene is important. Plus, with the threat of COVID-19 growing stronger in many states, the need for regular hand washing grows stronger by the day too. Regular hand hygiene, however, will leave you spending a lot of quality time with your sink and soap. Though you may be headed to rinse and cleanse your hands at the sink, you touch the soap dispenser first, leaving behind a trail of bacteria and viruses for the next person to pick up and pass along if they aren't practicing their 20-second scrub down and getting their hands free of potential sick-making germs. In a kitchen, you also have to touch soap dispensers after handling raw meat and produce, both of which can harbor bacteria that can make people in your home quite ill. But you can cut down on the chance of sharing bacteria and viruses with a hands-free soap dispenser. These battery-operated devices dispense soap or hand sanitizers with the swipe of a hand or sponge. You don't have to touch a pump or squeeze a bottle. Number 3. Self-leveling measuring cup. Instead of dirtying a knife to help you scrape off the extra ingredients and get an accurate measure while baking, buy cups that do it for you. All you have to do is squeeze the handles on these cups to get your accurate quantity. The Dream Farm Level Up's self-leveling measuring cups will help your hands stay clean while baking. So instead of wiping the top off with your finger and covering it in your baking supplies, these self-scraping measuring cups make baking much less messy. Because these level measuring cups display measurements in fluid ounces, millimeters, and cups, you'll ensure precision as well. Furthermore, this measuring cup set includes 4 cups, a quarter cup, a third cup, a half cup, and 1 cup. This way, you don't have to wash and reuse the same cup while you're in the midst of cooking a masterpiece. Number 2. Chef and Cobcorn Stripper. It happens to all of us. We try to cut the kernels off the cob, and they end up rolling off our cutting board all over the counter. A week later, we find little pieces of corn hiding behind our coffee maker. Don't be that guy. This corn stripper quickly and easily separates your kernels from the cob without making a mess. It's a straightforward task that I and generations of other humans have long accomplished with a knife. Well, a knife plus whatever other gear happens to contain the inevitable mess of turning one big thing into dozens of small bouncy things. Number 1. Harbor 022 Meat Thermometer. If you ever fret at the thought of accidentally serving your friends and family uncooked meat, eliminate your worry by getting a great digital meat thermometer. It's one of the few tools that will instantly increase your confidence in the kitchen. Whether you're barbecuing brisket, veggies, or ribs, no one likes to play the temperature guessing game when it comes to the time-sensitive handling of meat. Enter an accurate, easy-to-use meat thermometer. Amazon's #1 bestseller in this category, this Harbor digital meat thermometer gauges temperature in a speedy 4 to 6 seconds thanks to its precise internal sensor. Enjoy your cooking. Never guess temperature. With a sensitive meat probe and temperature guide, Harbor Professional Digital Cooking Thermometer gives you a fast and accurate result in seconds. It is ideal for cooking, grilling, barbecuing, steak, turkey, sugar, candy, chocolate, milk, jam, wine, fudge, water, coffee, oil, chicken, etc. You'll not regret to have one. Light and convenient, easy to store. With 41-gram lightweight, this candy thermometer is easy to stick into metal fridge door or hang them on the hook. Do share with us if you know about any other amazing kitchen gadgets. Please subscribe to the Gadgets World. Thanks for watching.